Hey folks, wanted to share with you today about the home inspection period when purchasing a home. This is a period of time, usually about 7 to 10 days after going under contract, where you're able to inspect the home and ensure that this property is in the condition that you would like to purchase it as. During this time, I encourage my clients to hire a licensed home inspector to come through and do a thorough inspection of the home and to point out anything that may be a concern. We then have an opportunity to negotiate repairs with the sellers. Some things to remember during this process, though, is that if you aren't purchasing a new home, certain parts of the house are going to have age to them, and there may be some things that will bring about repair costs in the future. Home repairs and maintenance, they're a part of being a homeowner. On the other side, though, this home inspection period is an opportunity to ask the seller to repair some things that would help give you peace of mind about moving into the home in the coming weeks. When it comes to asking for certain repairs to be done, it's important to take into account the market we are in. For example, in a seller's market where there's a lot of competition between buyers, it's less likely that the sellers will be willing to do as many repairs as would be the case in a buyer's market, where homes are sitting for 30 to 60 days without being sold. That doesn't mean that we can't be strategic in asking for repairs, though. After all, it's my goal to get you comfortably settled into your new home. At Folks Homes, we strive for a stress-free environment that ends with us being able to say to you, welcome home, folks. We want to be sure that the home you're moving into is something that will serve your family well. And that means negotiating the right repairs during this home inspection period. Let us help you in your home search. Let us advise you, let us protect you throughout the whole process. If I can ever answer any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to serve. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll catch you next time.